Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I went to another Walmart and found another Hot Wheels monster truck, and today I found Ringmaster. It's from the same case as the VW Drag Bus. I unboxed that yesterday, so if you want to see that video, go check it out. And yeah, here's the rest of the case. Basically the new trucks were the Drag Bus and Ringmaster, everything else is a repeat. So yeah. Without further ado, let's get this bad boy unboxed. Oh well. Well, here is the crushed car, and here is the actual Ringmaster truck. So, the black and white series, obviously the decos are like 3D and textured, which is nice. I hope they release the normal Ringmaster in the future. Maybe, hopefully, for the rest of 2020, or maybe next year in 2021. But yeah, all the black and white trucks have the white chassis and white rims and stuff like that. So let's check out the graphics of Ringmaster. So nothing on the front. You got like a circus tent and some stripes on the hood, and it's textured. It says Ringmaster on the roof, which is pretty cool. It says Ringmaster again on the side, and you got more of the circus tent graphics. And then same thing on this side. And then tailgate, it says Ringmaster and the Hot Wheels logo, and then more of the circus tents. I don't know, I really like this truck. I'd say it's my favorite of the black and white series. Yeah, it's really cool. I mean, I'm not complaining about this truck. I really love it. So yeah, that was the unboxing of the Ringmaster. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you enjoyed. And as always, I will see you guys next time.